15,500 to Yuma.
I won't need autopilot, I'm gonna stick fly out of here. Deep breath. Best part, right here. 4 planes in front of us. Airspeed, alive. No cast messages. Time to fly. Okay.
Traffic, 10 o'clock.
I gotta do a tight turn here. Woo-hoo! Nothing better than that. Boom.
Today's flight, it's not about the destination, it's about the departure. I'm leaving out of San Diego, Montgomery Field, going to Yuma, Arizona. Montgomery Field by itself is in the top 5 busiest airspaces for general aviation in America. So that's really busy. But when you depart and you get about 2,500 feet above the ground, that overlying airspace is considered the busiest airspace in America. The terminal area of San Diego is just filled with traffic. So I'm gonna make it interesting. I'm gonna depart the Vision Jet on a tight right downwind departure. I'm gonna go right into Class Bravo. I'll get a clearance. When I'm on the downwind, I'll be paralleling maybe F-18 fighter jets. Marine Corps Air Station is just to the north. It's always crazy when you depart, you have to turn off your ESP. That's my overbank protection to make it a really tight turn so I don't go into the Class Bravo. So that's it. Let's get going. I love this type of departure, and today we got cumulus clouds, which means it's just going to be fun going through them. All right, let's go.
Ground Vision Jet 225 Mike Victor has Charlie at coast. Right downwind VFR departure, please.
Vision Jet 225 Mike Victor, Montgomery ground. Give way to a Cessna on Golf, inbound on Kilo now. Runway 28 right, taxi via Golf Hotel Alpha.
Give way for the Cessna 28 right, Golf Hotel Alpha 225 Mike Victor.
R5 Mike Victor, were you looking to pick up any flight following or anything today?
That would be great. Going 15,500 to Yuma.
Clear left, clear right.
You said 15,000, correct?
Yeah, 15,500.
Vision Jet 225 Mike Victor, squawk 0210, departure frequency to the east 124.35.
0210 and 124.35. 5 Mike Victor, thank you.
Ground, Montgomery ground, Scott 72, Foxtrot at 28 left, at Foxtrot looking for a taxi out of Crown Air, please.
Clear left, clear right. Okay, keep going.
Ground,
Comm set, altimeter.
For Alpha Zulu at executive with Charlie for closed traffic.
System 38 Alpha Zulu, Montgomery ground. Follow Vision Jet left to right on hotel. Runway 28 left, taxi via Juliet Hotel Bravo.
Juliet Hotel Vision Jet towards runway 28 left, 734 Alpha Zulu.
38 Alpha Zulu, and just confirm you had information, Charlie.
Okay, taking off 28 right, right downwind departure. Be a steep turn. Stay out of the Bravo. Any abnormalities on the roll, power to idle, maximum braking. 600 feet flaps caps, and gear up out of usable runway. And I won't need autopilot, I'm gonna stick fly out of here. Let's go.
Montgomery Tower, Vision Jet 225 Mike Victor, 28 right, right downwind departure. Good morning.
Vision Jet 225 Mike Victor, Montgomery Tower, standby, 2 arrivals, get you going.
5 Mike Victor, standing by.
Vision Jet 5 Mike Victor, runway 28 right, line up and wait.
28 right, line up and wait, 225 Mike Victor.
Alright, line up and wait, 28 right. There we go. Probe heat on. Final clear. Deep breath. Best part right here. Four planes in front of us. Right crosswind, upwind. And they're Cessna, so we're gonna need some space.
Vision Jet 5, Mike Victor, pass outside the Cessna, head on the upwind, make a right down departure, runway 2 right, clear for takeoff.
2 right, clear for takeoff. And how did you want me to pass on 5 Mike Victor?
Vision Jet 5, Mike Victor, outside the Cessna, they're turning crosswind now.
Copy, 5 Mike Victor.
Airspeed, alive.
70 Echo, runway 28 right, clear touch and go.
Engine in parameters.
Touch Echo, 70 Echo.
50, looking for 85. 60, looking for 85. No cast messages, and time to fly. We are out of usable runway.
This is 733, number 2, runway 28 right, clear touch and go.
733, clear for touch and go, 28 right. 5 Mike Victor, is the Cessna just off my right side?
Traffic,
Just
10
on my
o'clock,
picture from you?
high, less than 1 mile.
Okay,
Traffic, 10 o'clock, high, less than 1 mile.
in sight. I gotta do a tight turn here. Okay. Alright, I'm climbing above him. After 45, I need to hold the autopilot override, or after 30 degrees of bank.
5 Mike Victor, I lost visual. I think he's below me. We're good?
Jet 5 Victor, affirmative, they're below you in the pattern, you contact Socal 124.35, see ya.
All right, thanks. 225 Mike Victor, see ya.
Perfect. Okay, climb checklist. Gear is up, flaps are up, airspeed. Check.
Socal Vision Jet 225 Mike Victor, 3000, climbing right downwind Montgomery.
225 Mike Victor, Socal departure, radar contact, VFR climb to 15,500 is approved, cleared into San Diego class Bravo airspace, and reset transponder, stroke 7727.
7727 and cleared into Bravo up to 15,000 Mike Victor.
Okay, Chapter 786 out of 10 descending via with Bravo.
South 786, Socal approach, going to be Vector Stefano, reduce speed at 210, then descend maintain 6,000.
Speed 210, then 6,000, Southwest 786.
Mirror 5 Mike Victor, Mirror altimeter 3006.
006, and just confirm 7727 on the squawk, Mike Victor.
Mirror 5 Mike Victor. Delta 2121, descend maintain 6,000.
Maintain 6,000, Delta 2121.
Yeah.
South 2714, contact target A.
Switching, good day, Delta 2714.
South 2714, contact target A.
Switching, good day.
Woo-hoo! Nothing better than that.
Boom.